Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get clan troops without requesting in Clash of Clans. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So usually when you request clan troops, you have to click on this button, but to send and then requesting it. But instead of doing that, what you can do is you wanna go click on here and then click on reinforce, and then you can buy the clan troops using the raid medals. So as you can see, I have 4,000 raid medals and I can buy all of these troops for 53 raid medals, and I immediately got my reinforcement without having to wait for my team to send my troops. This is how I would be able to get any clan troops immediately. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.